Hello everyone. This is regarding joining of the Coursera courses through Maharashtra Institute of Technology account. So previously, you might have joined the Coursera courses and you have received the invitation from Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology. Because that was a different institute, we have requested the Coursera team to make a separate admin panel for our college. So they have migrated all the participant data to Maharashtra Institute of Technology learning program on Coursera. So when you if today you are logging into your Coursera account, it will show you an error message that you are no longer part of Maharaja Agrasen Institute. Like I have already joined it, so it is not showing in my account. So it will show a pop-up over here, which will say that you are no longer part of Maharashtra Institute of Technology. So what you have to do in order to continue learning your in progress programs, you just go to your linked account. Like in my case, my linked account is the Gmail account. So today morning you have received an email from Maharashtra Institute of Technology. So the email will look like this. I'll just open this email. Maharashtra Institute of Technology, and it will say that Maharashtra Institute of Technology has invited you to start learning of Coursera. So because they have migrated our account to a new uh, college account, so that is why it is inviting us again. So you just have to click on join now. So you just click on join now. So it will take you to the Coursera account. So this is my account. And if you have not already logged in, just log into that account. So it will show you this page. Now, in order to see your previous progress, what you have to do over here, when you click, it will show you both the programs. My Coursera will show you our previous enrolled programs and our previous certifications, and Maharashtra Institute of Technology Learning Program on Coursera is our current program. So in order to access your previous material, just click on this. Then it will show you this tab. It has various options like home, whatever course you have done recently, in progress courses. Like these were my in progress courses, and there will be a completed tab. So it will show you your completed courses which would have done previously. So what I will suggest is you just keep download these certificates, because it might disappear later on. So you just download these certificates for now, and you can still continue. Like suppose you have joined a program and completed halfway of that program, so you just click on that program and continue learning. Its certificate will also be generated and you can download that also from here. But for any new program which you want to join, just select the option of Maharashtra Institute of Technology and then join it. Otherwise, if that option is not selected, those courses will not be free. Like they will show you some price in order to enroll for those courses. Now there is one more issue. Suppose I have enrolled, like my in progress courses are suppose 10, and over here it is showing me some 3 4 courses. So it might be possible that some courses are not visible over here. So what you can do, you can go to, like currently you are in my courses, go to Maharashtra Institute of Technology and re-enroll and on that course. Suppose yeah, suppose you go to the catalog. This is under Maharashtra Institute of Technology. Make sure you are under Maharashtra Institute of Technology. Suppose I go inside this, and suppose I join this course again. But suppose I have completed 4 weeks of this course. So right now it is showing in my tab. If it is not showing in your tab, just rejoin that. So it will automatically take you to your previous progress. So don't worry if you have completed some part of your courses and they are not appearing over here. So just click on rejoin them using Maharashtra Institute of Technology, like I'm doing over here. Then it will go back to your previous progress. And for all the courses that you are enrolled, you can see the option over here. When you go here, when you say my purchases, then an option appears of my courses. So you click on, just a second. Yeah. When you click on my purchases, it will show the option of my courses. So just click on that option, and it will show you the enrolled courses, and then you can yeah. I have enrolled it just now. So I have already completed one assignment on that previously. So I have rejoined it and it is showing me the same progress that was done previously. So this is how you can proceed. But still, if you have any problems, you can write back to me. Hope this video helps. Thank you.